How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now there's not actually really an option in Instagram itself to enable dark mode, but in order to use dark mode, Instagram will sort of like determine whether you use the dark mode or light mode on your phone itself. So I use the dark mode, so Instagram is also on dark mode, but if I will use the light mode, Instagram would also be on light mode. So sweep up and find where dark mode is available on your device. If tap on this icon, then my phone is in light mode. As you can see, my Instagram is also in light mode, and if I tap again into this dark mode, then it turns back to dark mode. So that's basically how you can change it. That's it. I hope this quick video helps you. Please leave a little like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments if it worked, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.